Hello everyone, myself Mitra Yogesh Dattatraya. Today working as a assistant professor in KKR College of Horticulture, Nasi. Today I am going to presenting on the cultivation practices of a ridge gourd. They having the botanical name Lopa acutangula, and this ridge gourd in a family is a Cucurbitaceae. And ridge gourd can be grown throughout the whole of the years and used as a vegetables. Is a fruit vegetable. It is the most popular in South and East India. And it require the soil. This ridge gourd can be grown in all kinds of the soil, but loamy and clay loam soils or the silt soil are best for their growth and developments. Soil should be well fertile, well drained. Having the good water holding capacity is necessary, and they having the soil pH is 6.5 to 7.5 is good for their growth and development. It requires the hot and moist climate, and the average temperature range is 25 to 30 degrees Celsius is best for their growth and developments. And it is very sensitive to the frost condition. That's why mainly grown in a rainy and summer seasons. And they have some different varieties are cultivated on all over the India. First one is the Pusa Nazdar, released by IRI New Delhi. Then Desi Chaitali, CO1 is released by Tamil Nadu Agriculture University. Then Satputia is a hermaphrodite variety. Hermaphrodite means male and female flowers, and bisexual flowers are present on the same plants or the same vine, called as a hermaphrodite. Then Kokon Harita, they having the highest high yielding variety in 150 to 200 quintal per hectare. The fruits are long, 40 centimeters, their length uniform, soft ridges, and firm flesh. It is an early variety suitable for both Kharif and the summer seasons. And the average fruit weight is a 200 gram per hectare. Sorry, 200 gram per fruit, their average weight. Then Phule Sucheta, this variety released by MPKV Rahuri and developed by the Pure Line Selection. The fruit have the different characters. Fruits are green, slender, tender, and medium in length, near about 33.5 centimeter, with a prominent ridges. Ridges is a main maturity symptoms or the freshness symptom of fruits is the ridges, and it shows the tolerance to downy mildew suitable both kharif and summer season in mainly in western Maharashtra. The average fruit weight is 118 gram, 118 gram is the average weight of ridge gourd, and then wine produces 18 fruits. The average yield is 119 quintals, or the 120 quintals per hectare is the average yield of Phule Sucheta variety. Then this ridge gourd is mainly propagated by the seeds. Sowing time is mainly Kharif. Sowing time is a Kharif, mainly in June, July, and in Rabi, sowing time mainly Kharif in June, July month is the best for ridge gourd sowing or the planting. For summer season, mainly the January and February, these 2 months is suitable for ridge gourd plantation. Seed rate, seed rate it requires the 2 to 2.5 kg seed rate is required for 1 hectare area. Then dibbling method is the main method used for the sowing, and then having the spacing 1.5 by 1 meter. 1.5 meter is required in row to row, and 1 meter is required to plant distance. 2 to 3 seeds are sown in each pit of ridge gourd plantation, and it requires the ring and basin method of layout is best for gourd cultivation. Then manures and fertilizers, mainly 20 tons of FIM is required at the time of last harrowing per hectare area. And then fertilizers or the chemical fertilizer mainly use the 150 kg NPK per hectare, and nitrogen is applied in 30, 45 and 60 days after the planting for the equal split doses, means half dose of nitrogen and full dose of P and K at the time of plantation. The remaining half dose should be splitted in three parts, and this should be applied 30, 45 and 60 days after the planting. They have interculture operation mainly used for the training and pruning systems, mainly the uh, use the different bamboo sticks for the support the ridge guard, and use the training method, mainly the bower system is mainly used for the training method of ridge guards. And then irrigation, summer crop should be irrigated just after the sowing, and subsequent irrigation at given at 4 to 5 days interval. In rainy season, the irrigation is depend upon the rainfall and soil moistures. Then harrowing, the fruit become ready for harvesting the 55 to 60 days after the sowing. The full-grown tender fruits should be harvested at a weekly interval with the help of a sharp knife. And the tenderness of the maturity symptoms is judged by their length and their ridges. Then this yield is 15 to 20 tons per hectare is the yield of a ridge gourd. Okay, thank you.